Meaning of Gary Cooper.
Gary Cooper.
Gary Cooper.
Gary Cooper.
Gary Cooper. Gary Cooper was an American actor who rose to fame in the early 20th century. He became known for his rugged, yet sensitive on-screen persona and appeared in many classic Western films. Today, Gary Cooper is often used as a cultural reference to denote qualities such as stoicism, bravery, and integrity, particularly in the face of adversity. The phrase Gary Cooper-esque may be used to describe someone who exhibits these qualities. Overall, Gary Cooper represents an iconic figure who embodied the ideals of the American West and continues to inspire admiration and respect.